Hello everyone. Today we are going to get acquainted with the syllabus and paper pattern of English Core Class 12th Code 301. This paper will be divided into two certain parts. Part A 40 marks and Part B 40 marks. Part A is all MCQ type questions. It will be divided into two parts only, reading and literature. As you may be knowing, because of corona pandemic, CBSE has curtailed the syllabus of all its classes 9, 10, 11, 12. That's why this year you don't have to study grammar anymore. Now reading to certain passages of 700 to 750 words will be given, and each will give you 10 marks. Means reading will give you 20 marks, certain passages will be given, and you have to find out the answers. In literature portion, question number 3, these are also MCQ type questions. They may be. In question number 3, 2 prose texts will be given. You have to attend one, and it will give you 8 marks. It may be from Flamingo or Vistas. From Flamingo or Vistas, question number 3 may be given. 2 prose extracts, one you have to attend, and 8 marks you will get from this. Question number 4, MCQ type questions from poetry. It will be based on Flamingo. It will give you 4 marks. Question number 5th, text based questions from 8 out of 10 from Flamingo and Vistas. You will get 8 marks. In part B, again you will get 40 marks, writing section and literature section. In writing section, short writing tasks may be given. Question 1 and 2, it may be like that, of 50 words only. It may be notice, advertisement, 3 marks. Question number 2, formal or informal invitation and reply, it may give you 3 marks. Letter based on verbal or visual input, it of 120 to 150 words, it will give you 55 marks. Article, report writing, descriptive may be asked, and it will give you 5 marks. Last one is literature section. It will give you 24 marks total. Question number 6, 5 short answer type questions from Flamingo. It will give you 10 marks. 5 into 2 into 10 marks. Question number 7, 2 short answer type questions from Vistas. It will give you 4 marks. Question number 8, 1 long answer type question of 120 to 150 words from Flamingo. It will give you 5 marks. And question number 9, 1 LATQ from Vistas. It will give you 5 marks. Now let us see what certain portion is going to be deleted from Flamingo. There are 4 certain topics you don't have to study this year. First one is poets and pancakes. Second one is the interview. Third one is going places. And fourth one is a roadside stand. From Vistas, certain topics you have to delete from this year course. First one is the Tiger King. Second one is journey to the end of the earth. And third one is memories of childhood. These are the certain things you have to study this year. Now what you have to delete it from your reading or grammar portion. Reading, note making is being deleted this year, and business official letter is being deleted. Speech and debate is being deleted. Again, you must know about that. Total from written paper you will get 80 marks, and 20 marks from ASL, assessment of speaking and listening, 20 marks. Total is going to be 100. This whole is the syllabus this year you have to study. Thanks.